I have been observing and documenting for the last 4 years at least 500 people and their lives and how it evolves. And people find सब सही चल रहा होता है ना, everything in life is perfectly sorted. कुछ ना कुछ एक आधी चीज ढूंढ लेंगे अपने आप के साथ उंगली करने के लिए, एक नई बीमारी, एक बड़ी समस्या पैदा करने के लिए. Okay. Why do we do this? Masochistic behavior. We are trained from the time of our birth to be masochistic. The society and the tipping balance of the entire society. हम बोलते बहुत casually बोलते हैं. It's only that 5% uber rich sitting at the top जो पूरी दुनिया को पपेट की तरह दौड़ा रही है. Is that reality? Yes, 100%. Every masochist does exactly that. What is a masochist? Yes, inflicting self-pain. How are masos? So I just call them masos and sadists. Masochist, sadist. What is a sadist? So let's divide how the whole universe is built upon. Everybody knows yin, yang, Shiv, Shakti. This is a three-dimensional prism, or this is a three-dimensional holograph of what we live in. It is just a projection. This projection can happen only because of duality. Universe cannot manifest itself into oneness. अगर अद्वैत हो जाता है, तो none of this will exist. Okay. Then it will be just one single source. In yoga we call this bindu. Correct?
Yeah.
Nothing. Nothingness, basically. Correct? And then we have a beautiful story. The Big Bang happened. What is that Big Bang? I became aware of my own self. I am is what I call as the Mool Maya. Do I need to tell myself or reaffirm to myself that I am? है ना भाई, खड़ा है, जिंदा है, बोलने की जरूरत है क्या? And yet, unconsciously, we do that. The first thing, the moment you open your eyes in the morning, is when your sense of consciousness comes back. And there is automatically a small sound that most human beings will make, very gentle. And that okay, is how the whole manifested universe came into being. Okay. We always say Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Correct? It originated from the silence, and just that the first thing everyone consciously, unconsciously, the moment you wake up, you will let out a sigh, a sound of her, and that instantly reaffirms your consciousness. Before I forget, सर बैठे हैं, before I forget I am विजय आनंद. साला कल उठा के दूसरे किसी को बिठा दिया तो अंदर लफड़ा हो जाएगा, right? So that self actualization, that need for self acceptance, is what begins the whole manifested reality. And then starts the realm of sound, okay, which is Om. The whole manifested universe is just simply sound, vibrations, and frequencies. And everything, movement happens. Correct? And the moment movement happens, it creates a sound because of its motion. People ask me, does sound heal? English is very loosely held. Nad Yoga hai. It is a science of observing waves and patterns of the universe. Okay? सिर्फ सिंगिंग बोल उठा के टिंटिंग बाजी करके कोई हीलिंग नहीं होना. If you do not know really which sound to use when to harmonize the imbalance in yourself, you are like Abhimanyu in a Chakravyuh. You really don't know. People come back and say, sir, मैंने खाली बोल बजाया, टिंटिंग किया, and that person felt amazing. unlike placebo, cannot be proven scientifically. Okay, so what is a masochist? इसी चीज को अलग अलग भाषा में समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Yang and yin. What is yang? Yang क्या होता है? Bright as a sun.
Yeah.
Correct? So can I say day? Yes? Masculine? What else?
Right?
Light, okay. Or bright, basically. Okay, singular. Can I say excess? Can I say expanding?
Yeah.
What else?
Shakti?
Can I also say, instead of expanding, can I also put it as dissipating?
Dissipating, yes.
Can I say dumb?
Yeah.
What else? Can I say workaholic? Or active, basically? Yeah. What else? Self-sabotaging.
Self-sabotaging, yeah.
Okay. Exalted, huh?
Ah.
Exalted even. Also say, it दिखता है पर बिकता नहीं. There is no real substance to it. Correct? It's bright. It's tall, dark, and handsome also. But does it really have the bulwark strength to it? No. Correct? So can I say underlying weakness? Yes? What is cancer as an ailment? Ailment of the masochists in the society. If you look at the history of most cancer patients, you will find that it never happens to weaklings. अगर आपको रोज हर 3-4 महीने में तुमको सर्दी जुकाम बुखार, आज मेरा ये दर्द कर रहा है, कल वो हो रहा है, तुमको कैंसर नहीं होगा. ठीक है? It is the ailment of the strongest in the society. Okay? It is the ailment of the leaders, people who lead. Okay? Because they are excess masochistic in nature. They take excess responsibility. Responsible. दुनिया का बोझा खुद पे उठा के घूमते हैं. They have this savior attitude. Okay, savior. मैं तुम्हारा तारणहार बनूंगा. Let me help you. कैंसर सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों को होता है. Okay. All cancer patients believe I will fight and fight till my last drop of blood, and that is the only reason why unconsciously they are ready to subject themselves to all sorts of chemical experiments. None of them have been proven successful till date. Correct? Why? Because
Never give up.
never give up. And cancer as an ailment begins from the liver, which is the great general of the army, the most yang organ of our body. Okay. All cancers originate from the liver. Correct? The most yang organ of the body. Being the great general, its thought conditioning itself is, I will fight and I will fight and I will. If you go to really अपना नॉर्मल हॉस्पिटल में जिसको फ्रैक्चर हुआ है वो इतना चिल्ला के इमरजेंसी रूम में आएगा कि पूछो मत. ठीक है? जिसको कैंसर हुआ है ना, their pain level, a fracture pain level is probably at a scale of pain scale 3.5. A cancer patient's pain level is at a pain scale of 9.5 to 10 and even beyond. You will see the bloody cancer patient smiling after coming out of a chemo saying, कर लिया, आज का भी खत्म, bring it on. ठीक है? And a weakling is like, अरे इतना सा खाली वो लिफ्ट में थोड़ा पाँव आ गया, छोटी सी उंगली में खरोच आ गई है, crying it away. They cannot bear it. That is a cancer patient. Now if I see that behavior in someone, or if I check their nadi, मैं उनको प्यार से बोलता हूँ, 15 साल के बाद कैंसर होकर रहेगा, यहाँ से शुरू होगा और यहाँ पे खत्म होगा. If you don't change your behavior, can be easily manipulated. Correct? manipulatable. Can we manipulate the entire society? Yes. Look at Corona. The whole society has been manipulated. Correct? Very easy to manipulate.
It's very easy to trigger pattern. Fear, you know.
Fear. Very easy. Masochists are the easiest to manipulate.
The
उनको कुछ
simple-
बोलना ही नहीं होता है. If you are a sadist, I hope none of you are. And yet, each and every one of us has traits of both.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Lots of wealth, name, fame, success. मैसो बनना बंद कर दो. Stop being a masochist. Okay. थोड़ा सा sadistic रहोगे ना, बहुत सुखी रहोगे. Okay. A masochist does not think, does not use logical reasoning. They say, no, but I'm a deep thinker. I'm like, आपका thinking कितना deep जाता है, वो मुझे पता है. ठीक है. Masochists seek approval. Seek love. पूरी दुनिया इसके ऊपर बर्बाद हुई है. They are seeking appreciation. Okay. कुछ मत करो. एक मैसोचिस्ट को ढूंढो. मेरे पास नजर में से बहुत होते हैं मेरे को.
अपने भी सब
मैसोचिस्ट को ढूंढो. उसको बोल
सब
बेटा ये देख सामने खेत दिख रहा है. ये 4 गोनी चावल के जाके बो के आ जा. पूरा दिन बेचारा धूप में पसीना बहाएगा, सब काम करके आएगा. बोलेगा साहब झालो. तुम बोलोगे ये काम कर चाह गए ये समोसा ये जा बेटा छान काम कर. He will be proud. Someone appreciated and loved me and gave me thank you. Their food is only that much. But he is not understanding how much negative energy balance he created for himself. A masochist is spending away his life, his energy in surrender of a sadist. Okay. And a masochist will always find a sadist. Magnet की तरह. Sadist शांति से बैठता है. आएगा. अपने को किधर जाने का जरूरत नहीं. सामने से मूर्ख बनने को आएगा. और अपना सामने से जेब खोल के भी देगा, कटवा के भी जाएगा. You don't have to do much. Okay. Trust me. Masochist sadist को ढूंढ ही लेते हैं. ठीक है. They believe that the sadist loves them, and so they are all for inner relationship. Now this is what I call pathogenic relationship. Inner relationship. It is the men who start behaving masochistic in certain manner. वाइफ के लिए मैं तेरे लिए ये लेकर आया, वो लेकर आया, इतना टेंशन लेता हूँ, स्ट्रेस लेता हूँ, तेरे लिए बंगला खरीदा, गाड़ी खरीदा. It's a figure of speech. Don't look at me that way.
Nowadays, all most men
No,
are
no.
sadistic.
No,
ऐसे भाई तू कमा ले तू तेरे मेरे को stress देते हैं.
But in general terms, okay. Because if you look at most relationships, or women are more yin, they do definitely have more sadistic traits. They can manipulate very silently without anybody knowing.
Totally.
They can capture your moments of unconscious behavior and can exactly seed a thought or incept a thought there. Okay. A narcissist is of another level sadist. उनको कोई पहुंच नहीं सकता. Okay. They can manipulate the whole economies as if कि पता ही नहीं चला क्या हुआ, what hit them. They are so sharp. They can calculate, they can structure a thought, they can structure energy. They bring order. Masochists are in chaos. Masochists develop physical ailments. Okay? Sadists develop only mental ailments. They never develop any physical ailment. They will not show a sign of any physical ailment in their entire lifetimes. I love these people. What do you see?
Why?
Hmm? What else? पता है क्या होता है ब्लैक होल?
Consumes everything.
Consumes everything. Even light cannot escape the black hole. Okay. We call this yin. Okay. Dark. Okay. What else? बोलते जाओ. Night. What else?
Infinite. Infinite.
Infinite. मैसोचिस्ट में याद रखो फाइनाइट. ओके. मैसोचिस्ट में एक और चीज याद रखो, इट इज काइनेटिक एंड मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. Getting it? Infinite. Potential energy. Hello? I spoke to you about speculative energy and reflexive energy, and I also told you about real energy. This is real energy, pure potentiality, and potential energy is infinite. Manipulates others.
No greed. No greed.
Only greed. Sucks away everything. Only greed. Masochists are not greedy.
Okay.
They are the givers. These are the receivers, boss. Masochists share. Okay. Sadists never share. They are excessively full.
And
See, pure potentiality. Yes, it is emptiness. But that same emptiness, as I said, the whole universe is manifested into duality of nature. Emptiness or nothingness is over concentration of energy. Over here, there is excess concentration of energy. Okay. A masochist is excessively expanding. It is dissipating. This is concentrating. Masochists are loud. सेडिस्ट कैसा सांप की तरह निकल जाएगा ना, पता भी नहीं चलेगा. मैसोचिस्ट दो भी रहेंगे ना तो पूरे गांव का ढंढेरा जैसे बजा रहे हो वैसे वो दो ही जन बजाते होंगे. मैसोचिस्ट सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम ईच अदर. रिमेंबर दिस. सेडिस्ट दे क्रिएट ओनली मैसोचिस्ट. दे themselves will never ask for help directly. Okay. They will not say मेरे को जरूरत है. सुनना मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, उसको सोरेसिस का बहुत समस्या हो गया है. तेरे पास कोई अच्छा डॉक्टर है तो बोलना. वो मैसोचिस्ट दूसरे मैसोचिस्टिक डॉक्टर को ढूंढ के, भले वो कितना भी बड़ा स्पेशलिस्ट हो, ये लेडी के घर तक उसको पहुंचा कर रहेगा. गेटिंग इट? एंड येट दे आर वेरी इमोशनल एट द सेम टाइम. सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट.
self-interest.
Yes.
Yes.
It is because you know.
Height of.
So they are terminator sadists.
Yeah, height of sadism.
Terminator masochists भी हैं, which are all the cancer patients. Terminator sadists are the narcissists, as per the name.
Self-interest.
Self-interest emotion, excessively emotional. This is how they think. What about me? It is all about me. This is. ये दोनों कैसे बनते हैं वो भी मैं समझाता हूँ. Okay. They are excessively emotional, but they do not love anybody. They will show artificially that I love you, but they actually love only themselves, and that is excess emotion, self-interest. Feeling of entitlement. they have this feeling of entitlement. They are so unemotional that they are always ready to step on to anybody. Not physically step on to anybody, but they believe hurting, killing, stepping onto others is perfectly normal. As long as I am getting success, everything is perfectly great. Because I am entitled to rule. That is how their psychology is. I am entitled to get everything. Okay? And yet, unfortunately, never happy. Never happy. Never cheerful either. Okay? A masochist is always in pain and yet always smiles. Why? He's evident, he is displaying. They do not display. It sucks away everything. Incoming free or outgoing band hai. They cherish their loneliness.
Loneliness. Yeah.
But they will show the whole world. Sympathize with me, I am so lonely. I have nobody. Why don't you come over and feed me, make some nice cookies for me, nice cake also, tuck me into bed also. They will expect all of that. Getting it? They are never happy. But they are absolutely in love with their own selves. Sadists will stay in front of the mirror for hours together, appreciating, not appreciating, because the masochist appreciates, but the sadist is like very much in love with their own, what, and however, you'll find a lot of sadists by birth also quite heavy, physically also heavy, because more yin energy. Okay. They may actually not look very beautiful in the societal terms, but in their own eyes, boss, they are princesses. उन लोग अपना माँ बाप से ना मैन्युपुलेट करके नाम भी ऐसा रखवाएंगे. मेरा नाम कुछ भी रखा हो, XYZ रखा हो एकदम, एकदम घिसा पिटा गांव वाला नाम रखा हो. निकनेम प्रिंसेस बोलो ना. Okay. Prince bolo, princess bolo. They will manipulate others to address them also. They are masters at conditioning, intermittent conditioning others. Correct? So they will very subtly play their cards. They are highly self-conscious, to be precise. They are highly self-conscious and conscious of other people's unconsciousness. Exploitative, always exploitative.
They always exploit the...
Masochist is created by conditioning someone or telling someone from a very early age, and the society does this very beautifully, unconsciously. Parents started, bottom line. ठीक है? तू ऐसा ऐसा नहीं करेगा ना, तेरे को ये नहीं मिलेगा. What did you sell them? Or in general, my observations are, masochists are created. It's like बंदर को पलटी कैसे मारने का वो सिखाने का काम जो है, तो मैसोचिस्ट वैसे बनाए जाते हैं, where the parents say, look, you will have to study, you will have to do this, because you are not very beautiful. Who will get married to you? Okay, created a insufficiency. माने मेरे में कुछ कमी है. Okay, वो unconsciously या consciously जैसे ही बच्चे के दिमाग में जाता है, they will start compensating. So it is a more of a compensatory behavior. Okay, and so they will mask. As I said again, everything manifests in duality. So the moment there is actually a weakness, they will mask it unconsciously and create that facade over time and age, and they will become masochists where they are masking a weakness, and so they will try to show the world, I am strong. What does a maso do? I am strong. Okay, it will chronically keep trying to project to the world what is his maximum weakness, it will try to keep projecting that that is my maximum strength, because that is what it is camouflaging. But as I said, masos are dumb, so they are not very good at it. If a sadist comes along, हाँ कैसा है ना कि वो भेड़ बकरी में मैसो मैसो सब दोनों मैसो को पता है, अरे तू भी मैसो है मैं भी मैसो है, टेंशन मत ले, साथ में भेड़ बकरी साथ में अपन घूमते हैं, झुंड बना के घूमो. And that is how masochists also behave. The moment you see a group, a union, a brotherhood of sorts, okay, best friends for life, BFF for life, group of 10 people, समझेगा सब मैसोज है, या तो उसमें एक सेडिस्ट होता है, वो सबको नचाता है अपने आजू बाजू, ठीक है? Because all of them, masochist, the moment it feels insufficient, it will immediately approach another masochist. मेरे में एनर्जी कम पड़ रहा है, तेरे में थोड़ा है क्या? बैग बोरो स्टील, चल साथ में करते हैं, ठीक है? The way how I narrated, वो गाँव वाले को बुला, आज इधर आ, तेरे को एक वड़ा पाव मिलेगा, एक कप चाय मिलेगा, ये 2 बोरी चावल का खेत में डाल के आ जा, प्रॉपर. तू उसके साथ 5 दिन कर, 5 दिन वो फुल जोश में करेगा, छठे दिन है ना खुश हो गया, बोलेगा साहेब पोरगाला पण आणलं, बराबर है. A maso helps create another masochist or identifies another masochist and will tag them along. मैं भी मेहनत कर रहा हूं ना, मेरे को एक चाय और वड़ा पाव मिलता है, तू भी आएगा, अपने को 2 मिलेगा, ठीक है? It will create or it will ask for help from similar energetic groups continuously. Help me out. Okay. A sadist, these are the real masterminds. They are created by insecurity complex. मैं यहाँ पे ना, I'll just start introducing you in bits and pieces on the nadi also. Please understand, very easy. अगर ये 3 दिन में समझ गए ना ये कॉन्सेप्ट, खुद का नाड़ी देख पाओगे, डायग्नोस कर पाओगे, ठीक है? What did I say? Masochist है. This is what I call the Tao balance line. Okay. This is above, this is below. Okay. A masochist will project itself over here. Excess, correct? But in reality, its energy is actually low. Correct? You will find most masochists, their stance is like this. Correct? They are projecting the upper, but if you look, their lower backs are weak. Okay. That is how the physical body is. It is all a rhythm. It is all a dynamic dance of what I call as the dance of the fascia of the body, which is the largest organ of the body. Okay. A sadist, on the other hand, is actually full with energy. Excess energy है उसके पास. Correct? But it will camouflage and behave exactly the opposite, saying मैं तो यहाँ पे हूँ. Correct? It hides everything. Why that insecurity complex? एक sadistic बच्चा होगा ना, या कोई एक normal बच्चा होगा ना, उसको बोलेंगे ना, सुन, ये अपने कंपाउंड के 4 बच्चे हैं, साइकिल तेरे को भी दिलवाया, तेरे को 10,000 का फायरफॉक्स दिलवाया, इन सबको तो सस्ते वाला है, इनके साथ जा माउंटेन पे साइकिलिंग करके 1 घंटे में वापस आ. करेक्ट? बाकी सब थोड़े मैसो है, तो दे एक्सपेंड एनर्जी फास्टर. ये थोड़ा सा बेचारा स्लो कोच है. सो इन द माइंड ही आइडेंटिफाइज, ओ दिस इज अ इनसिक्योरिटी और threatened by others' existence. कि these are going to lead in the rat race of life. घर पे जाऊंगा तो मम्मी बोलेगी, अरे तू तो आधा ही गया, मेरे को बोला उसने. Correct?
Can't match up to those.
No, it's not even that. The fear that parents will compare me with others and will tell me that I am insufficient. Beforehand, I will create a camouflage आई विल क्रिएट अ सिचुएशन, वो क्या करेगा मालूम है? फर्स्ट दिन नोटिस हो गया, जैसे तैसे वो माउंटेन हिल क्लाइंब कर लेगा, 1 किलोमीटर बाकी सब बच्चे गए, ये भी जैसे तैसे पहुंच जाएगा, वापस आएगा, दूसरे दिन गेम प्लान बन चुका रहेगा, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट डे साइकिलिंग पे जाने का ना, तो या तो ओ बट मामा आई एम डूइंग माय होमवर्क एंड दीज किड्स आर दे आर नॉट वेरी नाइस, ओके, 4-5 दिन तक माँ भी बोलेगी अच्छा यार मेरी बच्ची बैठ के पढ़ रही है, सॉर्टेड, मदर ऑल्सो हैप्पी, चाइल्ड ऑल्सो हैप्पी। अगेन प्रोबेबली समवन एल्स विल कम, मतलब इधर बाकी सब बच्चे वो टाइम पे जाते हैं, यू शुड ऑल्सो गो, यू शुड वर्क आउट, ओके, गेम प्लान इज रेडी, प्लान ए बी सी डी ई, एवरी गेम प्लान इज रेडी। वो जैसे ही हिल क्लाइंब करना चालू करेंगे ना, वो खुद की साइकिल को कभी नहीं बिगाड़ेगा, ओके, वो दूसरे की साइकिल को पहले से बिगाड़ के रखा होगा उसने, टायर पंचर, चेन उतर गया है, फिर आके बोलेगा मम्मा वो दूसरे की इसकी साइकिल बिगड़ गई थी ना, तो आई हेल्प्ड हिम कैरी इट बैक होम, आई एम द गुड चाइल्ड, ओके, इट इज टू एंश्योर that my self-worth is never objected upon, it is never subject to criticism. Getting this?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
So it's an inborn thing. Is it?
No, it gets developed. Were you responsible to create it? No, you were quite unconscious. The brain is just a receiving and memory storing system. You will suffer being excessively masochist also, and you will suffer being a sadist also. What you need is to be at the Tao balance line. That is why the entire process of what we call, so अभी देखो लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ तो बेचना है, समस्या दोनों बाजू है, ठीक है? जो ये जाल में से निकल गया, ताओ लाइन पे आके बैठ गया, उसको दोनों बाजू का सब दिखाई देता है, तो तब बॉस विन विन, दोनों बाजू कस्टमर ही कस्टमर है, वर्कशॉप बनाओ, वर्कशॉप बेचो।
What is the ratio in the universe of Maslow and sadists?
5% sadist, 95% masochist.
So, just a question.
Yes.
Isn't it then ultimately the perception of each that this insecurity complex and the insufficiency complex is actually a perception, but then this then develops into basically
Into a behavioral
into a
type.
behavior. So it is not because circumstance can be the same, but
No,
children
it
in
can
the
be
same
anything.
family can respond differently.
Yes, yes. So that is also why we see such a massive difference between siblings also, right? It's always the younger one which is the sadist.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Totally. No, because you know what? By the time the youngest one is born, the parent
Comparison,
is already
compare,
occupied.
yeah.
No, is already occupied with a lot of things. So
No.
one is it there's neglect, rejection,
Yes.
and the thing is the other two have already gotten their share. So the comparison thing also starts.
बाकी सब सही है. There is no reject by the parents consciously.
It's not conscious rejection, but because of over.
The child immediately starts manipulating and makes the parent feel that you are rejecting him, which is not the case. Okay, these are born manipulators at times. The narcissists are born manipulators by वो माने वो पहला बोलते हैं ना अपन गुजराती में कहावत है घोड़िया में फोटू रड़े हो तू बराबर. These are the narcissistic ones. Okay. Okay. What else?
So ultimate awareness likes more of chaos.
No, it likes order
Then 99% are Maslows.
in chaos.
Yeah.
They are in chaos.
Sadists rule the world.
Sadists rule the world.
Yeah. So that is why I'm saying that the ratio is bigger at Maslow, right?
Why? How did the universe expand? Big Bang, right? More of chaos right now.
Okay.
Correct? Or at least that is what seems to be manifested as a reality as of right now. But it's a ongoing Sanatan cycle. One moment something is masochistic, then the cycles turn, and it can turn into sadistic behavioral life. Yin yang, sadist, masochist. ये tipping scale चलते रहेगा. That is what I keep saying. राजू, तेरा मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है ये। करेक्ट। और अपना टारगेट ये रखना। ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? हेलो, the movement, can I say this is maximum yin
Yes.
and then it starts dissipating? ये याद रखना पॉइंट। Starts dissipating, becomes masochistic. Energy was concentrated here and it starts dissipating, correct? And it starts, the wave formation starts rising and it reaches its peak. Can I call it maximum yang?
Yes.
Correct? Peak. And then I say a masochist collapses. The moment someone does not stops appreciating a masochist. Okay. Let's say in Indian families, it is always the mother who is anyways excessively masochistic. Physically, पूरा दिन काम करते रहती है, तेरे को बेटा ये खिला दूं, तेरे को बेटा वो खिला दूं, अरे वो उसने कुछ किया कि नहीं किया, सर्वेंट आई कि नहीं आई, they are behaving excessively masochistic. In expectation of what? Appreciation and love, correct? And acceptance. She does this for a good 20 years. Suddenly one fine morning they find बच्ची अभी बड़ी हो गई, अभी 16, 17, 18 साल की हो गई, कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिला, भूल गई मामा मम्मी को टाटा बाय बाय सी यू, ओके, एंड देन ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट कम्स बैक होम एंड क्रिटिसाइजेस द मदर. This is where the masochist collapses and develops physical ailment, especially all types of musculoskeletal aging. Okay, वो जो ऐसे जो खड़ा था ना, अब ये पाँव नीचे से हिलने, नीचे की वॉल जो है वो धंसनी चालू हो गई. That is how they collapse. And so this is the downward wave spiral. It goes here. Can I say this is maximum yin now again?
Yes.
Or can I also say that this is empty? Okay, and in that emptiness, again, the universe creates more. And again it will start after resting, after a phase of resting, it will again start another cycle. Correct? समझ में आ रहा है? The whole science of sound and vibration. Okay. एक चीज एक्स्ट्रा भी सही बता रहा हूँ. If you want to heal, so let's get into the subject of healing with help of sound and breath. If you want to heal someone, always strengthen or tonify a masochist, okay, and sedate a sadist. Masochist का क्या हाल है? क्योंकि वो वैसे भी insufficient है, करेक्ट? लैक है. वो आएगा फिजिकल सिम्टम्स लेकर, रोते धोते, मैं बेचारा काम के बोझ का मारा, मुझे चाहिए एक्शन 500 सिंकारा. Okay, you always strengthen the message. So his waveform is going this way. You identified this much. How to identify this on the nadi also I will explain. बहुत सिंपल है, ठीक है. इसका पित्तवात बड़ा रहेगा, ठीक है. एनर्जी कैसे दे सकते हो? What is real energy? Solar is the real energy on which our organism, we use maximum solar energy for our functioning. Food that we eat is just concentrated solar energy. The gas chamber, उसमें डालते हो, जितना concentrated डालोगे उतना बड़ा धमाका होगा, उतना ज्यादा एनर्जी रिलीज होगा. ओके, जितना बड़ा बाइट डालोगे, नहीं मैं पूरा वो एप्पल खाता हूँ पर मैं गेहूं नहीं खाता, ठीक है. you will create a negative energy balance because the acid which is required to digest a few grains of गेहूं और चावल और उसमें से जो एनर्जी रिलीज मिलता है वो इतने बड़े एप्पल में से नहीं मिलता है ओके बिकॉज इट इज मोर yin, it is more watery in nature, it does not really store that much energy. The more concentrated form, the more denser the metal, the more energy it has. Okay. It is all about density of the particle. The heavier it is, the more potential energy it is storing. Okay. The more lightweight it is, it has that much lesser efficient energy storage. Getting this? How do you tonify? ये डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, उसको तुम स्ट्रेंथ कैसे दोगे? क्योंकि तुम भी उसको वही डायरेक्शन में साउंड, एनर्जी, वाइब्रेशन पुश दो. It will actually, so when an energetic flow is flowing in a particular direction, if you add similar energy additionally in that same direction, okay, it will actually, the atoms will come much more closer together and so it will create more strength and so it will generate more yin. So now that combination of yin and yang जो पहले इधर चल रहा था वो ऑटोमेटिकली बैलेंस पे आ जाएगा. Getting this? And you sedate a sadist. There is excess concentration of energy here. Correct? You sedate it. It is going downwards. उसका पल्स जब देखोगे तो it is going downwards. And you strike with the bowls. I will explain to you कि कौन सा sound turn कहाँ से लेता है, वहाँ पे तुमको कैसा strike करना है, and that is how you sedate. How you tonify, how you sedate, and that is how it works. When you do that, it will actually hit this and it will dissipate because it is also maximum yin, although we call it empty, but it is maximum yin. It will discharge energy from here and it will make it move again. There are only two things in the universe: flow, stagnation. Correct? Either something is flowing or something is stagnated. Correct? जो flow कर रहा है उसको तो तुमको और फ्लो ही करवाना है. करेक्ट? जो स्टेगनेटेड है उसको तुमको डिसिपेट करना है, उसको तोड़ देना है और उसको भी फ्लो करवाना है. What do you understand as a flow? Okay, have you seen a river?
Yeah, just going to say that exactly.
We say silent waters run deep and empty vessels make more noise.
Yeah.
Okay. यहाँ पे नीचे एक रिवर है. We'll go for a evening walk. वो रिवर पे अपन जाएंगे. शैलो है एकदम, फास्ट भागती है. करेक्ट? उसमें मैं एक्स्ट्रा पानी डाल दूंगा ना तो वो फुल हो जाएगी. करेक्ट? तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली साइलेंट भी हो जाएगी. गेटिंग दिस? जो मैसोचिस्टिक चल रहा है उसको वही चीज और ज्यादा दूंगा ना तो वो इनफैक्ट काम हो जाएगा. सपोज यही रिवर आगे जाके एक छोटा सा चेक डैम बनाया है, बराबर? चेक डैम आज सुबह को बंद है तो वहां पे पूरा लेक की तरह बन गया होगा, विच इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज स्टेग्नेशन. कि अटक गया है पानी वहां पे. जैसे ही पानी वहां पे अटक जाता है यू विल स्टार्ट सीइंग ऑन अ रनिंग रिवर you will find freshwater fish. The water actually clean. बोलते ना बहता पानी पी सकते हो, बट तालाब का पानी डायरेक्टली मत पियो. Why? Stagnated. What does stagnation do? It becomes a burrowing ground for all types of good and bad pathogenic life activities. Maximum yin में ही life generates out of maximum yin, for sure. But is it really healthy? No, not it is not. Getting this? अब अगर वो लेक बन गया है तो वहां पे वो छोटा सा तालाब भी बना रहेगा ना, छोटा सा भी. तो सडनली यू विल ऑल्सो फाइंड कि रनिंग वाटर से वही पानी का टेम्परेचर इज मच कोल्डर. करेक्ट? Yin is also cold. Remember, Yang hot. Okay. The moment there is coldness, that will stagnate it more. उसको move करना उतना ज़्यादा difficult हो जाएगा. You will need more force to move it. Correct? Slowly and slowly, slowly and slowly. Let's say if you observe, sedimentation starts. Lake के bottom में अचानक से सब sediment जो जितना भी running particles थे, वो sedimentation वहाँ पे बनना चालू होता है. It starts becoming like a marshy land slowly. Then it slowly over thousands of years, it starts forming into rock formations over there. What is it? That is all maximum yin. Immobile हो गया तो वो stagnate होना चालू हो गया. Okay. Anything which is a stagnation is against the flow or it is obstructing the flow. Correct? And we keep saying life itself is movement. Death
Stagnation.
is stagnation. Correct? A sadist is stagnation. A masochist is flowing. Okay. There is no good or bad in both the states. They are how they are. These are their natural properties. Okay. So the moment people start coming and telling me, I am practicing positive and good vibes, I'm like, hey, bhai, सर पटक देने का मन करता है. There is nothing like positive, there is nothing like good, there is nothing like bad, there is nothing like negative. These are just polarities of yin and yang of simple manifested universe in different states. Correct? यहाँ तक सही है?